Here we've got TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to enable battery percentage in your status bar. So actually I do have mine already, but let me show you how to turn it on and off. First of all, just enter the settings, then find and select display right here, and then locate and open status bar and dodge, and here you will notice battery percentage. Mark it, and as you can see, you can hide it by tapping on do not show, and now you've got only the visible icon, like the percentage is not included, or then you can pick inside or next to the battery icon feature. So as you can see, now it is located right next to the battery icon, and when you pick inside, it's the same as in the beginning, but I will pick this third option, and that's it. This is how you can manage battery percentage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.